Good morning. This is Nikki, also known as Faces Trader, for your global market update. Have a good weekend. It's July 3, 2020, and actually the US Independence Day on July 4. So today it's closed. The global markets is closed. USA market is closed. But that doesn't mean that you don't have news. So let's discuss. Yesterday, of course, Tesla went all-time high, hitting $1,200. Let's read a few things. It's Tesla's world, and everyone else is paying rent. So Tesla actually shot up after delivering 90,650 cars in the second quarter, trouncing Wall Street estimates of 72,000. Tesla delivered 90,650 cars. In the first quarter, they already delivered 88,496 cars. Can you imagine, like, if they can sell 1,000,000 cars in a year? Well, 1,000,000 cars times $100,000, that's $100 billion revenue. So Tesla shares rose as much as 9% in news. Congratulations. And then if you look at the delivery numbers, the big piece, of course, is China. The China market is worth anywhere from $400. People are raising their targets $2,000. If Tesla's going to be $1 trillion market cap someday in the future, that's about $5,000. So okay, that's your Tesla. We have news of Lemonade. So I shared it in here in my Faces Trader. You could see it here. Of course, yesterday AKAM got huge gains. We were discussing AKAM for quite several days now. We also discussed it in our class. It's the world's leading CDN provider. So I like it. We already have it. I think that you could hit about 130, although some people have targets as high as 150 for Akamai. So Akamai shot up yesterday. I think the news was just an upgrade from people seeing that this is a company that is very much an overlooked web infrastructure play. I agree. Content delivery network plus cybersecurity, go Akamai. And for those who don't know, Akamai means Hawaii, means cool in Hawaii. For those who want to know more about Akamai, of course, we have it in our deep dive classes. I would love to share to you that we have our Awesome10X.com, where we actually discuss everything. So we actually discussed electrify your portfolio this week. Last was in June. Discussed a lot of the winners. Friday is a free class. Later on, I'm actually gonna discuss to you this news, VUZI. Let me discuss this. So join us later, 5:30 to 6:30 p.m. We're gonna discuss wearable trends. Why VUZI, ticker VUZI, that's Vuzix. Why is it a company that could be an awesome 10x for you? An industry application spanning remote support, educational telemedicine, even real estate support. So I'm going to discuss that company for you. So that this is this chart. VUZI actually rose 16% yesterday, breaking that $2.50. But I still think that it's gonna go higher. There's a lot of news that you have to know about VUZI. Any drops from about $3 to $2.50, I'll be okay getting this name. And I'll discuss it to you later on. Now, another discussion, of course, for the news is Lemonade. So it is a disruptor 50 said by CNBC. It actually hit IPO yesterday, and it was already 140% on its first day. So I think like the IPO was $20. This is actually 300% for those who got in the IPO. Now you could see it was just, it is a disruptor, and you have bears, you have bulls, you can study it yourself. Personally, I don't have Lemonade, but I took a look. I might be a bearish here. It could go 100, but you know, I'll just wait. If I'm late, I wouldn't enter. So that's fine with me. You have a lot of news. Okay, so this is the Akamai upgrade. Akamai got upgraded at Cowen on valuation discount to peers. They're saying, I think, $150, representing an attractive way to play long-term tailwinds like streaming video and cloud computing. Target raised to $150 from 107. Shares are up more than 30% from their March lows. You could see that all of our chart picks were we're correct. So Limelight was up yesterday at $8. We're still holding on to this. Finally, let's look at your trading view. So July 3 is Hamilton Day for Disney Streaming Plus. Limelight Network, okay, you could see that it's the flag is now moving up. We like Limelight Networks, and we're just holding on to this. It's a CDN. It competes with your Fastly, Cloudflare, and Akamai, and Verizon, all of these great CDN infrastructure providers. Now, a few things to note. Of course, Facebook already apologized and wants to make out as well with all those advertiser boycotts. Actually, Facebook never really fell much. Facebook fell about 209, then now it's about 240, 235. So not much. No, it didn't even really give a huge pullback. Not a lot of pullback. I guess everyone just believes that those advertising is actually, even if the top 100 advertisers pull out from Facebook, is going to just represent $4.2 billion in total versus the $70 billion annual revenues that Facebook gets, notwithstanding that Facebook is strong in gaming, Facebook is strong in your VR, virtual reality, Facebook is strong in your e-commerce payments, and of course, digital advertising. So it didn't fall. So it didn't even give an entry. The entry was just 220 or 209. And for the market, you've got the NASDAQ at all-time highs. But yesterday's news was we trounced all the bears because of the US 4.8 million jobs as well. So it's really like a very good week. I'd say that this entire week was very, very strong. You've got a lot. You've got a lot of going all-time highs. You've got these names like we like Limelight Network, GAN, and IGT really rising through the roof. You could see that GAN is trading now at $28. Of course, these are your software for online casinos. You've got IGT now trading at $10. Sports bets, you could see that GAN, IGT. So Limelight Networks doing well. Yeah, so you've got a lot of leeway. You can see that electric plays have been zooming up. You've got BYD Electric going up. You've got Workhorse, really insane. For those who still have this, congratulations for you. This went anywhere from about March lows of $1.40. Now it's at $20. We didn't catch it. I only spotted it about 6 to 7. I didn't buy the moment I saw it, so I pretty much regret not buying, but definitely I can't chase this anymore. You've got, of course, Tesla rising to 1.2. You've got electrics doing well. Ballard is doing well. Ballard and Weichai Truck, for those who don't know, okay, so BYD is now 12%. Woo! All-time high. You've got your 700, all-time highs. Tencent, boom! Gaming, of course, right? So all-time highs. Roll Stars, Valorant, pretty much anything. So it's okay. It's not a strong move for the day, but it's a strong move if you hold this for like 20 years. For years and years and years. Let's see in the charts. So really, we just really are holding on right now to winners. But you might want to take a look for these for VUZI, study that, and then see you later in class. So you've got buy signals there. You've got for Himax. This is something that I think is also something that you might want to put in your watch lists. So Himax Technologies is a partnership with Google for microcontroller, something like that. There. So study that space. And I'm actually interested in a lot of IPOs. Of course, there's a strong fever for IPOs. Let's see if we can get the likes of Robinhood, Snowflake, Airbnb, Wish. There's a lot of companies that are coming out soon. So you better have money for those names. So there, it's been a pleasant week. Enjoy your for July 4th. Be proud for your founding on your Independence Day. I guess watch Disney's Hamilton if you have Disney Streaming Plus. And everyone, I think, is a happy. It's a happy day for your bulls. For your bulls, whether it be education, sports, you've got everything, right? Like this week, it's like a parade. It's like everyone is making money, except for the Bears. Except for the Bears. The Bears are, yeah. Asian shares hit 4-month high. U.S. China recoveries gather pace. So strong week, strong end. So let's see you again on Monday, and I hope to see you on the Friday free class later on. We'll be streaming it live for our YouTube channel subscribers. Thank you very much. Please click channel subscribe Awesome10X to see all of our Awesome10X ideas. And please don't hesitate to subscribe to our Awesome10X inner classes, wherein we give you courses to help you find winners for your portfolio. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Sobrang saya.